You happy?
Happy.
Finally.
Oh, it's too close. How do I zoom out? Shoot. Oh, like this. Okay. Rebecca, we got to be there in 10 minutes. You think we can reach there?
How do you feel now about this trip?
Tired.
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for your patience and cooperation. We now invite customers to take into number
Why
1,
are you
2, and
tired?
3. Please come in for
Because you
boarding.
made
Please have
me
your
walk
boarding
so
pass ready for
far. You
inspection.
told
Thank
me
you.
the wrong way.
It's okay.
No, okay.
Yo.
Sorry. Yalla.
Let's go. Finally. Hello everyone. This is Aladdin. Joined by his pretty wife. This is the worst part of Thailand. We spend like 1 hour just stuck in the... Welcome to Thailand.
And fish sauce, fish.
عجبتك أمي؟
Okay, fish.
أمي شنو رأيك عن الماكلة التايلاندية؟ ليه كذب؟ شنو سي بون؟
Nice.
كيفاه سي بون قول لي؟
Mizian. Which one she likes?
ها؟
Which one?
أنا عجبتك؟ This one. Thank you. Thank you so much. Staying in Thailand. When you have a wedding, you need to have the photo booth. Photo booth rules.
โยถ้าอยู่พูดว่าใช่ทุกคนพูดว่าเก่งมากโอเคใช่ใช่ใช่แค่นี้พูดเล่นเราเล่นทำไมใช่คนง่ายโอเคค่ะ
Bye bye. The day begin.
Let's go
Where are we going, honey?
to floating market
Okay. Morning. And now we are going to the floating market. I hope it's gonna be a good idea. مرحبا بكم في floating market إن شاء الله. It's good experience, new experience.
Babin.
What is this?
Babin.
What's ba-
Coconut pancake.
Okay. Honey, smile, smile.
Do you like it so far?
How about you?
Yeah, good. So on top there is the floating market. We are on this boat from Latmayom with Omni and Andy here.
This is
This one, kanom, bun pet. So it's coconut jelly. And this one, fried crab and prawns. This one, fish cake, spicy. This one, grass jelly with milk.
yep.
And fish cracker. I don't know how to call this. It's like grilled chili.
ثلاثة مشوية. ثلاثة مشوية تايلاندية.
These two inside there is like rice in coconut milk. This I don't even know how to explain. It's kind of dark, if I'm not mistaken.
Okay.
Let's eat.
برا امشي على بشير.
It's raining,
So?
so we stopped for a while.
أمي فيش قاعدة تاكل تو؟
You're taking? Latam Korea?
من تايلاند.
Thailand. خبز تايلاندي.
خبز تايلاندي. What are you eating, honey?
Fish, crackers,
Okay.
and grilled chili, something.
What we call it in Tunisia?
Selatan Mishaya.
Come to the Corgi Cafe by Tunisian family. Let's see.
My chair.
Alright. Noodles. Thank you.
How is it so far? You love it?
It's Wagyu time. بشرى عامل جو على الواجيو.
ไม่เป็นไรค่ะจบไปกี่ปีแล้วตั้งแต่ We are here. We are going to the concert. Let's go.
Remember when we came here before?
Yeah.
It's okay, no?
Okay. I want you to see the view.
I have the best view here.
Uy, again.
This is the good part when you travel with your family. They are always like having a time to check on things.
Thai silk. It's the size of Chinese style. Is that?
What does it mean? I don't understand.
No idea, but okay.
You are.
Inside.
Yeah, we should.
But where are they?
Are you sure you're Thai? Or you're foreigner as well? You sure?
Tunisia.
تبعوا ميو تبع ميو رد بالك.
How much? 550. Okay, not too bad. But we're gonna do that. But today we are going.
I told him already ماشيين السوق باش تلقاوها أرخص. What is this?
Corn milk.
بالقمح حليب حليب بالقمح
No sugar.
من غير سكر.
You don't want only hatehu? You don't want?
No, no.
Not sure. Come. I think the picture it was this thing. But I guess we got to go up from here and take from there.
Okay.
It's too close.